All right, guys. All right, finally got the video working, guys. So, what's up, everyone? This is Tai Zen. I'm one of the oracles of cryptocurrency here at www.cryptocurrency.market. And in this video episode today, guys, I want to share with you guys the 8 most influential crypto investing channels on YouTube. Okay. Ooh, you know what I did? I made a bonehead mistake here, guys. I put the 5 most influential, and I meant to put 8. Sorry about that, guys. Consider it a bonus, all right? I'm giving you guys 3 extra bonuses, all right? So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna switch my screen over to a screen share and share with you guys what I believe to be is the most influential crypto investing channels of 2016. Myself, Tai Zen, and my buddy and business partner, LeonFu.com, we have been broadcasting about cryptocurrencies since, we've been talking about it since late 2012, early 2013. And we've noticed that since then, we've had a lot of people come on and start their own cryptocurrency investing channel. And I just want to share with you guys some of the channels that I see that are up and coming that may have a lot of potential to become very, very popular if they're not already popular already. So before I get started, guys, I forgot to ask you guys, can you guys hear me from where you guys are at? Could you just leave in the chat box that you guys can hear me and clearly and the video is good and everything before I continue? I got D-Rez on the chat box here. Okay, so I got Alex Wu, Kit, everyone tell me that they're clear. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and rattle off and share with you guys what I think is the most influential cryptocurrency channels, guys. And then at the end, I'll come back and look at the questions and I'll answer them for you guys. All right, so let me hit the screen share here real quick. And I'm gonna share my full screen with you guys. All right, let me know if you guys can see my screen, guys. You should see the video that's being broadcasted right now, but it's frozen. So let me know before I get started, guys. Okay, so Mahid is driving, so be careful there, bro. Okay, all right, so everyone can see the YouTube screen. So it seems like there is about a 20 or 30-second delay from the time that I ask the question until everyone answers. Okay, so let me go ahead and get started, guys. I'm gonna give myself here about 10 minutes. It's 10:37 p.m. here in Atlanta, Georgia. And so let me run through it. Okay, and I don't know how to rank these most influential YouTube channels, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go by the number of subscribers that everyone has, okay? So the first most influential YouTube investing channel, cryptocurrency investing channel, obviously, is our channel, cryptocurrency.market. That's run by me and leonfu.com. Now, unfortunately, since I'm the one making this video, it may seem like, you know, we're pounding our own chest here and bragging about our own channel here, guys. So if you're watching this, you already know that this is the most popular and fastest growing cryptocurrency investing channel on the market. So we got over 4,000 subscribers here. You can visit our website at cryptocurrency.market. And we are working on some email sign-up, newsletter sign-ups, guys. And as soon as we get that rolled out, as soon as our tech guy gets it rolled out, then I'll put it up, and then you guys can subscribe to our video newsletters. And then every time I come out with a new video, I will shoot you guys an email notice and let you guys know. That way you don't always have to check in with YouTube, okay? Now, also, sometimes I like to broadcast out like a blog post and just some simple information and don't feel like making a video. So that newsletter will, the cryptocurrency market newsletter will also give leonfood.com and I an opportunity to share with you guys what we're learning and what we some of the latest updates without having to make a video. Okay, so that's the first most influential channel, guys. The second one that I want to share with you guys is by Lumbridge City. There's this website right here. Now, by the way, let me share you guys what I went through to come up with the most influential crypto investing channels on YouTube. Okay, guys. The individuals have to be talking about cryptocurrencies, not just Bitcoin only, but all the cryptocurrencies. No, they don't necessarily have to talk about all of them, but at least the majority of them, so that it's obvious that they are talking about it. That's the first criteria. The second criteria is that if you guys notice on our channel, we don't talk pretty much about anything else other than cryptocurrencies. Okay, if you look at our playlist here, we talk about crypto investing. That's general, where everything is at. We talk about Steam there, Factum. We talk about Ethereum. We talk about the DAO Hub. That playlist is not going to get much longer. And we talk about NXT. We talk about Ardor, the Waves. So if you notice our playlist, everything is about cryptocurrencies. Okay, and we have a couple of unique playlists. For example, like the crypto investing. That's a general list, guys. I try to make content in there that's evergreen, that will last, even a year, 2 years, 5 years from now. So it's not like news like. These other ones are more current, okay? And this is more evergreen. We also have a Spanish channel playlist, Inversión en Criptomonedas, which means cryptocurrency investing in Spanish. And you guys notice that we talk mostly about making money with cryptocurrencies and trading and investing. So that's what the majority of our channel is. And then I have a couple of channels, a couple of videos about living in the different states that I've lived in and traveling. All right. So if you guys look at Lumbridge City here, you will notice that on his channel, right, he is also talking about cryptocurrencies. He's talking about thanking people for the comments here. He's got over 2,000 subscribers, guys. Make sure that when you guys are watching this, make sure that you subscribe to his channel and give him support. The people that are doing this, I mean, you guys don't have to do it, but if you guys find his content, that suits what you're looking for, make sure you subscribe to his channel and show support for it. Okay. So he talks about cryptocurrencies, a lot of trading examples here on Poloniex and stuff like that. So check him out. All right. Now you'll notice that his videos get some good views here. Gets over 100 views per video. So whenever you guys hit him up, when you guys leave comments, make sure that you guys let him know that it was Ty Zen from cryptocurrency.market that sent you guys over there, and tell him I said hello. All right. So that's the second channel. I hope that, okay, so he does have his playlist. That'd be nice if he makes the playlist so that it's more organized, so that you can go exactly to what it is that you're looking for. All right. So we know that Poloniex is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange on the market right now that trades all cryptocurrencies. So he's talking a lot about here. So check it out and let me know what you guys think, and tell him I said hello when you guys go over there. The next influential channel, guys, has over 2,000 subscribers also. All right. You know what? I made a mistake here, guys. Actually, Omar's channel has more subscribers, so I should put his in front. All right. So this is actually the second most influential channel, guys. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, Omar. I hope he doesn't call me up and chew my butt out. Okay. So Omar's from Miami. I've had several interactions with him. So we've done a few hangouts together on YouTube, and he's got a very interesting channel as well. He does talk about cryptocurrencies a lot. It looks like he's a musician, a singer. So there's some music that goes along with him. Sometimes he'll sing a few bars in some of his videos, so it's pretty cool. So he has his own unique perspective on cryptocurrency investing. Okay, and you can check it out from there. And he's playing the piano over here. Claire de Lune, that's a very popular classical piano piece there. You guys might want to check it out. Visit his channel. If you guys like his content, subscribe to it, and make sure that you guys tell him I said hello, and that I sent you guys over there from the cryptocurrency.market from Ty Zen. Okay, So next one is Lumbridge City. You guys already know about that one. Now the next one here, guys, is a very interesting character here. This guy here, Adam Meister, is the Bitcoinmeister, the Disrupt Meister, and he talks a lot about he's a Bitcoin maximalist. Okay, and if you guys don't know what a Bitcoin maximalist, go check out my video on what is a Bitcoin maximalist. This pretty much a maximalist is a diehard fan of Bitcoin. Okay, and so he claims that on a scale of 1 to 10, he's about an 8 or a 9 on a scale of 1 to 10. Now, interesting enough, he actually does talk about other cryptocurrencies outside of Bitcoin, that he has a very unique look on it. And I've had him on our channel before to discuss about Steemit and stuff. And I like his debate approach. He's not very argumentative, and he's not there to see who's right or wrong. He just presents his ideas and his thoughts, and you guys do whatever you want with it. Okay, so check him out. He's got 1,100 subscribers here, a very large number. That's pretty good. Anybody that has over 300 subscribers, they're on their way, guys. People are starting to notice them. So help him out. If you guys like Adam Meister's material and content, he puts out a lot more videos than everybody else, guys. So this guy is like a machine. He cranks out videos, and they're actually useful videos too. So that he's not just cranking out garbage content. He's actually cranking out some good content here. So check it out. He produces videos almost every day, sometimes 2 or 3 of them a day. So check him out. Adam Meister, the Bitcoinmeister, the Disrupt Meister. Okay, I can't say it the way he does, but you guys, when you guys watch him, the only thing I wish he would do is I like the way he makes these thumbnails, guys, so you can see it really well. And it'd be cool if he puts his face on there so more people can recognize his videos. That's what I would do if I was him. But that's his channel, so he can run it however he wants. All right. All right. The next one that we got, guys, is a very unique character, a very, very unique cryptocurrency investor. He goes by Trevon James, and he's got over 1,000 subscribers also. He cranks out quite a bit of videos as well. All right. I only crank out a bunch of videos, guys, like whenever there's a serious issue in the cryptocurrency world that everybody needs to be updated on, usually security issues like with the DAO attack and things like that, and to explain what's happening so people don't panic, you know. So that's when I crank out a lot of videos in 1 day or 2 days or 1 week. But Trevon also cranks out a lot of videos. Now, I want you guys to give you guys a quick warning here, guys, about Trevon's channel before you guys watch it at work or at home around kids, okay? I do not give his channel a PG-13 rating, okay? That means that there's some profanity in there, you know, and there's nothing wrong with that. I just want to give you guys a heads up and an advance notice so you don't just turn on one of his videos and he goes off on a cryptocurrency or something, okay? So he has his own way of explaining things and how he invests in cryptocurrencies. And you can see his channel is mostly, you know, about cryptocurrencies, okay? And he's got some funny face thumbnails here that he likes to make, okay? Look at that, he's grilling some chicken. I'll definitely come over for some of that. That looks good, you know. The only thing that sucks about that as a thumbnail is because that feeds into the stereotype about black people and fried chicken. But well, maybe that's not fried chicken, that's grilled chicken. So that's the only that's the only funny thing about that. But this guy is a funny character, okay? So it takes some getting used to. He may not be your style of explaining things, but that's his style, okay? So look at that face right there. Now I can tell he puts a lot of work into these thumbnails, okay? Because that takes work right there, okay? So that's Trevon James at Trevon James, all right? Next channel, guys. Next most influential cryptocurrency investing channel on YouTube is Alex Fortin, okay? Alex Fortin, and he actually is from my homeland of Vietnam, guys. I was actually looking for some videos about Vietnam, living in Vietnam, and I actually ran across his channel. And at first, I couldn't tell if he was in America or where he was at, but he's actually from Canada, and he's broadcasting his cryptocurrency videos from Vietnam. At least that's what it appears to me, because he claims he still lives in Vietnam and stuff. So Subscribe to his channel. He's got 846 guys. Let's do this, guys. Let's make a concerted effort to help him crack over 1,000 subscribers, guys. Okay, so he's from my homeland of Vietnam. He's an expat, moved to Vietnam because the cost of living is much lower there. The country, the land there is much more beautiful, right? And just the people there are very friendly. And Vietnam is like one of the undiscovered, unheard of beautiful lands in Asia, guys, in Southeast Asia. So check it out. Check out some of his videos about driving and living through Vietnam. I mean, he gives it. I mean, if you didn't know this, if you watch some of his Vietnam channels, you'd almost think it's a travel channel, but it's actually a crypto investing channel. All right. So it would be awesome if he puts a cryptocurrency investor up here in the header so that people will know that it's a crypto investing channel that are new to it. So check him out. Matter of fact, he is so close to having over 1,000 subscribers, guys, that if you are the 1,000th subscriber, guys, and you can verify that with me, I'll tell you what, I'll send you, what should I send you? I'll send you 10 Ether Classics or something, okay? Matter of fact, I'll do this. I'll even go as far as doing this. Whoever the 1,000th subscriber is for this channel right here, just to push him over the 1,000 limit, right? If you can verify that, and if you or Alex can verify that you are the 1,000th subscriber, the next, whatever next ICO that I invest in, I'll put in I don't know, a quarter. No, how about this? A quarter of a Bitcoin for you to invest it with me, okay? And then when they release the coins, I'll transfer them to you. And you can show this video as proof that I said that. But you got to be able, either you or Alex got to prove that you are the 1,000th subscriber, okay, to help his channel out, okay? Next channel, guys, is Chase That Coin, okay? Chase That Coin, all right? Now, this guy here, his name is Shaka Daniel. As you can see there, his name is Shaka Daniel. He is broadcasting out of New York, guys, another major city in addition to Alex Fortin. Alex Fortin is broadcasting from one of the biggest cities in Southeast Asia. It's called Ho Chi Minh City, and there it is right there, guys, Ho Chi Minh City. That's the one of the major metropolitan areas in Vietnam and in Southeast Asia. And Shaka Daniel is also broadcasting from a very big major city in the world too. It's called New York City. Okay, so he's broadcasting from there. He has an interesting and unique look in investing in cryptocurrencies also, guys. So check him out and let me know. Hey, he's at 400 subscribers. I know a lot of you guys have been subscribing to him. I'll tell you what, if you can prove that you are the 1,000th subscriber on Chase That Coin's channel, let me know. And if you can verify it that you are the 1,000th subscriber, you got to have verification, okay, guys? Or if Chase That Coin, if Shaka can verify that you are the 1,000th subscriber on his channel, I will also put in a quarter Bitcoin for you in the next ICO that I invest in also, okay? So let me know, guys. All right. Oh, this is a repeat of Alex Fortin. Okay, guys. So there's 1, 2. There's cryptocurrency.market. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, guys. I made a mistake. I told you guys there was 8, and there's not 8. Okay. There's only 7. So as a bonus, guys, to make up for the missing 8th, the missing 8th channel, guys, because I had a duplicate of Alex, so I counted 7. So let me just change this real quick to 7. That way you guys don't jump on my ass here. Okay, right there. All right. All right. So I'll come back to the questions in a minute, guys. So as a bonus, guys, because I didn't have the 8th channel, and I'm one of those Asians that's not good at math, and I couldn't count even to 8, guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you guys a bonus, okay? A bonus. And these, I would not consider these 100% cryptocurrency investing channels like the other 7 that I mentioned to you guys. These guys do talk about cryptocurrencies, but they mostly talk about Bitcoin. It's still useful. So I'm going to put these 3 in a category of honorable mentions. All right, that what I consider the honorable mentions of most influential cryptocurrency investing channels in 2016. All right, so this is David Seaman. Pretty much, if you've been in the cryptocurrency world, you know about who David Seaman is. The reason why I did not, he has over 18,000 subscribers, so his channel is bigger than probably all of our channels combined. But here's the reason why I did not put him as one of the influential cryptocurrency investing channels on YouTube for 2016, guys. The reason is because a lot of his content, some of his content is deals with cryptocurrencies, but a lot of his content is about the government and things like that. So you can see like mostly all of his last 10 or 12 dozen videos are about Hillary Clinton and about the election and stuff like that. So that's why I don't put him as a solid 100% cryptocurrency channel. He talks about marijuana, legalizing marijuana, about fiat currencies, about gold, silver, things like that. So it's not a 100%, it's not a majority cryptocurrency investing channel like the other 7 that I mentioned to you guys. All right. So the next honorable mention of influential cryptocurrency investing channel for 2016 is a gentleman named Craig Grant. Now he has 2 channels on YouTube. One has like 8,000 or 9,000 subscribers, but the channel that he has where he talks a little bit about cryptocurrencies is this one right here, where he has 1,200 subscribers. And he talks a lot about Steemit and Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. So check out his channel. He also talks about other stuff too, guys. That's why I could not put him as a majority cryptocurrency investing channel, because he talks about other stuff too. But the stuff that he does talk about cryptocurrency investing, it's a different perspective. You might want to check it out. The other one, the last honorable mention, is a gentleman named Maneko64. And he talks about markets, stock markets, futures markets, currency markets, precious metals, Bitcoin economics, and geopolitics. Now, out of all the channels, him and David Seaman probably understand the economy. They're better economists than all of the other channels combined. So he talks only about Bitcoin, or at least that's what I've seen so far. He does not talk about other cryptocurrencies. So because of that, I could not put him as one of the most influential cryptocurrency investing channels. All right. So now let's go back to the list. Let me go back to the questions you guys have. Let me know if you guys have any questions about the 7 most influential crypto investing YouTubers that I just mentioned, guys. So go ahead and type in your questions and I'll run through it. Okay. So let me see real quick if there's any questions, and let me know the city you guys are asking the question from too, guys. City. Let me see here. David Seaman just started streaming, but he doesn't have a live chat. The mark of insecurity. Okay, well, everybody has their own personal preference. Okay, I could care less. If you guys want to troll me or ask questions, I'll answer the legitimate questions. The trolls, I'll try to stay away from them. Okay. Hey, everybody has freedom of speech, guys. If you want to troll my channel, you're welcome to. The funniest trolling time I've ever had on YouTube was when I did the live one. I can't remember. I think it was with David Johnson, the chairman of Factum. And man, that was like a record day for trolls for this channel. We even had trolls that acted as moderators of trolls. And they were, oh, that cracked me up. Okay. Okay. Little humble brag there by Mo Cash. I guess you can say that. I mean, we are a popular channel, so I mean, I had to bring it up. You know, it's unfortunate I'm the one making the list of influential crypto investing channels, and our channel happens to be one of it, so I had to remain neutral. So, okay, the Thai box. Yep. I thought Omar was the Indian driver. Nope, absolutely not. Omar, I live in Atlanta, and my Indian driver is my Indian driver in Atlanta, and Omar is from Miami, Florida, so he is not the Indian driver, unfortunately. Okay, he drives himself. Omar coming, yo. Don't Bitcoin maximalists get bored over time? Absolutely not. The real Bitcoin maximalists, they are diehard. They're like Apple or Mac users or Mac fans, guys. They won't deviate, okay, no matter what happens, okay. I mean, their Mac computers can crash right in front of them. They're gonna still stick to a Mac, okay. So that's the same thing as a Bitcoin maximalist. You got somebody like Tone Day out of New York. That guy ain't never gonna change his mind, okay. And I don't try to either. So I mean, it's always good to hear his perspective, okay. Adam Meister is good. Yeah, he has his own unique perspective. Omar and Lumbridge too. Yep, they all have their own perspective. Here's something I want to say, guys. Check out their channels. I just because I listen as an influential crypto investing channel, that does not mean that it's always for the good. Okay, so I'm just sharing with you guys what I've noticed. You know, whenever I've been on YouTube, you know, since 2009, and I've noticed that there are certain channels. I can tell when they are starting to grow and become popular. So I just want to share it with you guys. I've started to notice that some of these channels are picking up steam and they're getting attention, and there's people are starting to notice them. So I just want to share it with you guys in case you guys did not know. That does not mean that I personally endorse their ideas, their products, their services, or whatever, guys. I'm just letting you know that these channels are up and coming and they're growing. Okay, so that's all it means. Adam does a video a day. Yeah, I tried doing that, guys, but I just don't have time, guys. I tried that back in 2009, 2010, but I'm not able to do that. When you are not trading alts, you have a lot of free time. I agree. That's probably the reason why Adam has a lot of free time, and some of these and Seaman and these other guys, because they're not looking at all different alts. To each their own respect. I agree. Christoph Aucamp. You're in Vietnam? I did not know that. Okay, that's awesome. My goal is to someday, you know, make all the money I need from crypto and go over there and just retire on the beaches somewhere in Vietnam or in Thailand somewhere. So, what are they doing if they're not trading crypto? Okay, so some of the people, guys, that are in the cryptocurrency world, they feel like Tone Vae. I'll use Tone Vae as an example because he's the most, he by far is the undisputed Bitcoin maximalist, guys. I don't care what anybody says, okay? There can be other people, but they don't get on video and proclaim it like he does, all right? So, I mean, he's touting Bitcoin and he does not give a shit about any other altcoin. Like I said, guys, I'm just waiting for that day when he endorses. He officially endorses an altcoin, an alternative to Bitcoin. I'm gonna have to mortgage the house and take my kids' college fund and just invest into it, man. So he has to be really careful on what he says about what is a good cryptocurrency besides Bitcoin, because there's a lot of people out there that know that he's a Bitcoin maximalist, a diehard, and the ultimate Bitcoin. Matter of fact, I officially named him the official ultimate Bitcoin maximalist of 2016. And if you guys know anybody else that's a bigger or more diehard Bitcoin fan, you guys let me know, okay? So I can review that individual. But right now, I would have to say that it's undisputed that it's Tone Vae out of New York, right? And by the way, he broadcasts out of the World Crypto Network channel. All right. Let me see. What is this man to you, Ty? I'm not sure who you were asking about there, D-Rez. I have Alex has good videos. He's not active as others. Okay. You can skip all that and just hit me up. Not sure what you're talking about there. What ICOs are on your radar? So, real quick, the ICO that is on my radar right now is Antshares out of China, and I'll do a separate video about that. I'm actually in the process right now, as we're speaking, setting up a schedule, a date with a Google Hangout time and date with their VP of marketing. So once I get him on, me and LeonFood.com will grill him and see what the Antshares ICO is all about. Basically, just off of the what do you call it? Just off of the first glance look, it appears that the Antshares ICO is one of the bigger. I think it's one of the first major crowdfunding ICO projects out of China. And guys, if something's coming out of China, I'm not saying this because I'm Asian and I have a bias towards Asian, but you know they got a bunch of engineers and computer programmers and coders over there. They got like a billion something people over there. It's very competitive, so they got to make, you know, every chance they can get to get ahead. They're going to do it. So I think that there's a lot of people over there looking at the cryptocurrency market, and we'll know more about it once we do the Google Hangout with the Antshares guys. And once we get the time and date pinned down, I will announce on Twitter and on our channel here so that you guys are aware of it. So make sure that you guys follow me on my Twitter. It's right there in front of you. It's Hey Taizen at Hey Taizen. Okay. And so Antshares, I'm also looking at the Decent platform. We are currently scheduling a Google Hangout with them as well. They're right. I think they just had their ICO today or tomorrow. So things are very busy, guys. So I'm busy too, trading and stuff. So it's not always the easiest thing to get on the Google Hangout with these guys. That's why sometimes you guys see me do this at night. When the kids are asleep or something, I can sneak out a few minutes because I enjoy sharing this, guys, with you. I enjoy making money. I enjoy helping other people make money, guys. Right? Cryptocurrency is the first opportunity for us to invest like a real venture capitalist on Wall Street, except we have an opportunity to do it on Main Street, right? So let me see. Now, some people say that David Seaman is nuts, guys. I don't consider any of these honorable mentions or any of these influential crypto investing YouTubers nuts, guys. The fact that you are investing in cryptocurrencies and you're even on the air, I mean, here I am sitting here talking in the kitchen to a computer screen about imaginary internet money. Okay, so I mean, it doesn't get any more crazier in a nutcase than this, guys. So when you say that David Seaman or anybody else is crazy or a nutcase, right? I mean, I cannot say anything because if you look at it from where I'm doing, the people that are outside right now in Atlanta that's looking inside my kitchen window, I don't have no curtains on there or none. They see me sitting here talking to a computer. They probably think I'm nuts too, guys. But you know what? I'm a nutcase that makes money off of cryptocurrency investing. That's all that matters. All right. David Seaman to be the butt of every joke on Twitter, but then he fought against the Clinton establishment. And now he's pretty cool, I guess. I don't know. He supports marijuana. He supports cryptocurrencies. He supports gold and silver. I mean, those are the same things that I support and I believe in, right? So I don't smoke marijuana. It doesn't do anything for me. But if you want to smoke it, I guess it's up to you. That should be your choice. I mean, you're allowed to eat consume every other vegetable, fruit and vegetable and nuts on the planet. I don't see why it should be a crime for someone to consume one vegetable over another. Okay, so all right. Oh, by the way, guys, when you say that David Seaman is the butt of jokes, let me tell you this, okay? When you step out of the bounds of convention, guys, when you step out of the herd and you try to do things on your own, they're always going to call you a nutcase. None of my friends, families, and coworkers that don't understand about Bitcoins and cryptocurrencies, they all think I'm a nutcase talking about Bitcoins anyway. So that's nothing new. So that's nothing new, guys. When our channel gets, as we were starting out, nobody cared, but as we got more and more popular, you know, people start calling us a nutcase too. So welcome to the party. Okay, let me see here. All right, let me just run through it. If I see a question mark at the end, I'll stop. If not, then we're just wasting time. David Seaman being chased by helicopter. I don't know where everybody keeps saying that from. Chris Dunn. Okay, Chris Dunn is a fellow Austinite. He is from Austin. The reason why I did not include him on here is because his channel has been broadcasting about trading stocks and futures and things like that for a long time. And it's only recently that he got into cryptocurrencies, and there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, some of these channels that's only got 400 subscribers, like Shaka's Danny, but he just got into it, so I broadcast about. So that's not the reason. The reason is because his channel is not a majority cryptocurrency investing channel. He talks a lot about futures, forex, stocks, and things like that. So that's why I did not include him on here. But But that's the reason why. And what's up, BTC Kyle? Hey, if you can, BTC Kyle, contact me privately on Twitter or something, or my email, and let's see if we can get on a hangout and do something together. I saw your video the other day, but you only made one video, so I would have said something, but you only had one video on your channel, bro. So contact me privately if you want to discuss some of your investing strategies and stuff. Okay. Can you talk about Ethereum Classic? We'll talk about that in a separate channel, in a separate video, guys. Let's just focus on this one about the most influential crypto investing channels on YouTube. All right. BTC Kyle's from Saratoga, New York. You should meet up with Shaka Daniel out of New York, and then maybe you guys. He's out of New York City. I think he's in Manhattan or something like that. Maybe you guys can do a hangout together. All right. Dunn is a scammer. I'm not sure why. If you guys accuse someone of being a scammer or whatever, guys, make sure that you guys include links to the facts. Okay, so let's just not outright call somebody a scammer without having presenting the facts. Okay, of where you get the information from. Let me see. The crypto show. Okay, I did not include the crypto show, guys. I did not include Let's Talk Bitcoin, the crypto show, Epicenter, or any of these other channels, guys, because those are tech channels. Those are people, if you want to learn, get the technical details about a cryptocurrency, you go to their channel. If you want to make money off of those cryptocurrencies, then you come to my channel. But if you want to just, have lots of fun-filled facts that don't make you any money, then you go to their channel. And you'll get lots of technical buzzwords, a lot of technical stuff, but I've never been able to figure out how to make money off the information they provide. So that's why I did not list them as one of the influential channels. Okay. The channels that I listed, the 7 channels, these guys actually talk about how to make money in cryptocurrencies. So that's why I included them. How much money you earn a month trading crypto from the Philippines? It depends. There's no set number. And I don't want to say a dollar amount, guys, because I don't want to scare people away. Because if I say that I made $100, last month in cryptocurrencies, then if you're new, you're gonna say, it's not worth it. But if I start with $10 and I made $100, that's a lot of money. So I don't want to get into how much money is made. I will tell you this: I have made as much as I have made. Let me see. I've made anywhere from 1%. The highs I've made is over 4,000% on one crypto. Okay, so that maybe that'll help you. Okay, I don't want to get into the dollar amount because then people will say, well, Ty, well, the reason why you're able to do that is because you have money, or the reason why you can't do that is because you don't have enough crypto Bitcoins, or you don't have enough money. So I just want to eliminate that bullshit. So the percentages work better. Okay, Dustin Matthews is from Rowlett, Texas. Okay, that's right down the street from me. When you come back to Dallas, to see your Indian driver, try that on 635. No, I would never take the Indian driver on 635 because 635, the difference between Dallas and Atlanta is we actually have highways in Texas. Atlanta does not have highways, okay? They get the gold medal for having the worst civil engineers in the world, okay? If you're from another country and you are a civil engineer, okay, Atlanta is probably not the place to get a H-1B visa to come and work as a civil engineer, because it's evident that they don't know how to build roads and highways and infrastructure and bridges, okay? Because their cars don't move here, okay? We have, I don't know, 7, 8, 9, 10 million people in this metropolitan area, and ain't nobody, the cars ain't moving nowhere because they don't know how to build roads and highways there. Unlike Dallas, who has the second largest concentration of Fortune 500 companies in the world there, they know how to build roads and highways because everywhere you go, there's plenty of roads. And the 635 is the most amazing open tunnel concept I've ever seen in America. So if you guys want to see what an open tunnel looks like, come down to Dallas and drive on 635, okay? All right, I already commented on Crypto Show and Epicenter. They're not crypto investing channels. They're technical channels, all right? Great SoundCloud channels. I don't listen to SoundCloud. I don't see, I've really never had a reason to go there. So Don't know anybody that's on there. High altitude investing channel. Don't know that. Learn more. Okay. I saw the Indian driver and he verifies about major sport car city in Atlanta. Oh yeah, that is the Atlanta is, if you want sports cars, guys, super sports cars, this is it. I mean, every day you drive around and you see more Ferraris, Lamborghinis, R8s, Bentleys. I mean, there's like car dealerships everywhere, okay, in Atlanta. So they call Atlanta is known as the Beverly Hills of the South. So they got money here in Atlanta. They just don't have roads. They're spending their money on everything except for highways. Okay. Let me see. John Conway says you diss all the people that know something and promote all the nuts. You're right. I agree with you 100%. I wouldn't say I diss all those people. I just don't make any money off of their channels. So if you want technical stuff that are fun-filled facts to impress people at the Bitcoin meetups, go to those other channels. And I'm not saying anything bad about it, guys, because I watch the other channels too. I just don't bring it up because it doesn't make you money. Okay. And then you promote the nuts. These guys like Tizen and LeonFood.com. You got Omar over here. You got these two nuts out of Dallas and Austin and Atlanta. They make money from investing in cryptocurrencies. You see this nutcase Omar right here? You might call him a nut, but I know he makes money from cryptocurrencies. Lumbridge City right here. I know he makes money from cryptocurrencies as well. So there it is, guys. He's out of Canada right there. Okay. So there's his Twitter account. You know what? For some reason, I did not. For some reason, there's his. Make sure you subscribe to his channel. I wish he would put his name up there instead of putting Lumbridge City. Okay. All right, guys. If you guys run a cryptocurrency channel, make sure you announce your name or at least put it somewhere so people know who you are. Okay. So the Bitcoinmeister here, you might say he's a nutcase, but he makes money from in cryptocurrencies. Trevon, I know he makes money because he talks about when he gets into something and when he gets out of it. So Alex Fortin, I know he makes money too because he talks about when he gets in and out of cryptocurrencies also. And Shaka, I've spoken with him many times on the phone. I know he makes money from cryptocurrencies too. So it's up to you guys if you want to make money or you just want to get technical buzzwords. Okay. So let me see. Bitcoin Group is annoyingly realistic, like your parents, right? Don't know what that means, but Ty, please let me know if you're coming to Los Angeles. I will be coming to Los Angeles in October. I think the 3rd or 4th week of October. Okay. So Jonathan knows what's up. All right. Come to Costa Rica. Costa Rica. That's a beautiful place. Is that where you're from, Jonathan? Are you a full-time Bitcoin trader or do you have a day job? I am actually not a full-time Bitcoin trader. I'm actually a full-time Forex trader. Okay. So I'm joining the Rational Investor Training next week. I'm not sure what that is. I'm a network engineer. Okay. Network engineers, there's a lot of work for you in Atlanta, in Los Angeles, and in Austin, Texas, for sure. Austin, Texas is the 2nd best city to live in America, guys. If you're from outside the U.S. and you want to know what's a good city that has a good quality of life and, you know, the income potential, and that's like the 2nd Silicon Valley in America, right? Let me see. Jonathan Holcomb, my house on the market, it sells on full-time trading crypto from Costa Rica. That's awesome. Hey, Ty, do you have a day job or you're 100% cryptocurrency investing? I'm never 100% cryptocurrency trading, guys, because I don't want to discuss about my day job. Okay, I don't want to discuss about my business, my personal business, or my day job. I tried to have at least 4 streams of income at all the time. So let me see. Tone just started on World Crypto Now. He's been on for 2 months, maybe. No, he's been around. He's been around. I've seen him around. You are all millionaires if you invest and hold cryptos. Between me and my friends, we're not millionaires yet, but well, I won't say. Anyway, I am looking into Antshares ICO, and I will be looking into. We'll be having an interview with them soon. You jumped on BlockPay. I'll do a separate video on that, guys. Not sure who Brian Kelly is. Let me see. Okay, let me see. Oh, LBC, with the question, library coin. I'll talk about that in a separate video, guys. I'm investing into LBC, so full disclaimer there. John Conway, this is interesting. I'm glad that you brought this up, Joe. I'm really glad that you brought this up. Joe says that you guys need to realize these investor wannabe people are no different than fortune tellers. They both can't show any proof of their claims, right? Let me tell you something. That is classic. I can tell Joe doesn't make any money from cryptocurrency investing, guys. When somebody says that, they ain't making money from it, okay? I don't even know why they even bother coming on to this channel, because this channel is for people who want to make money from cryptocurrencies, okay? So there will always be people that will accuse me of not making money, and leonfood.com, you know, not making money, you know. So I mean, that's gonna happen. You know, I'm gonna still broadcast about it, whether you want to invest in it or not. If you invested in the Ethereum at the same time that we discussed it and talked about it, you would have made over 4,000% too. Okay, so I don't know what he's talking. He must be Joe Conway must be new to cryptocurrency investing. No mention of block talk. Nope. Let me see. Most influential is Bitcoin censored. See, guys, I always got technical people that come on my channel. My channel, guys, is for people who want to make money and profit from cryptocurrency investing. My channel is not about technical stuff, okay? I am the last person that you want to listen to when it comes to technical mumbo jumbo about how a cryptocurrency works, okay? So I'm letting you know, guys, know right now, you know, do not waste your time here looking for technical information about cryptocurrencies. If you want to learn how to profit and make a profit and make money from cryptocurrencies, then come to this channel. If you want to have more money in your life, okay, and have the opportunity. If you're one of those people that have been bitching, whining, and complaining, and you hate the fact that Wall Street gets to make all this money and you cannot do it, then come to our channel, because this is an opportunity. This is the first time in human history that an individual like us, you know, from a poor background, has an opportunity to make money in crypto and invest like a Wall Street venture capitalist. This is the reason why leonfood.com and I, you know, we created a program called Main Street, you know, VC, right, to show people how to invest, people on Main Street to invest like a VC on Wall Street. All right. So, right, Bitcoin censored, amazing. So just so you know, so don't come on here and talk about, you know, we're not technical and stuff. We're not. We're here to make money. All right. Let me see. Joe Conway, again, this guy asks all the questions, man. You gonna give somebody else a chance to ask a question, bro? If you want to know how I got into cryptocurrencies, go watch my video on how I got into cryptocurrencies. It's under crypto investing. It's how I got into cryptocurrencies, right? And I talk about how I used to work at a Bitcoin farm. I used to work at a Bitcoin mining farm in Dallas. It was an energy brokerage firm. They had one side was an energy brokerage firm, and the other side was a Bitcoin farm. So that was how I learned about it. And I thought it was a bunch of bullshit too when I worked there and I first heard that they had all these computers running this stuff. And I was like, well, these guys are a bunch of nutcases. But they're not. These guys make a lot of money. When did you learn? Okay, if I say so myself. Would Yeah, don't fall for it, Joe. Don't fall for it. All right, this will be fun. For that, you buy into a crowd, and that's why, not because you research your investment. No, we research it a lot. We put videos up about it. Joe Conway gets the medal for being the best troll on this video. Okay, so send me your Ether Classic link, Joe Conway, and I'll send you a couple of. I'll send you two Ether Classics for winning the Troll of the Night awards. Okay. Let me see. Is Expanse a Ethereum clone scam? No, Expanse is not a scam. It's just a clone. Let me see. Let me see. Ty, very quiet on NXT. What's up? New news. Man, I have been so busy in looking at different ICOs, right? NXT is a long-term play for me. I've been investing into it since 2000 and when it first came out, like a few weeks after it came out. I did not catch the NXT ICO. Wish I did. That is the most profitable a software project, in my opinion, compared to anything, even more profitable than Bitcoin. If you look at it, they only put 21 Bitcoins in, and now it's like several $1 million project. I mean, if you look at the growth of NXT, I think that they have there was more bang for the buck there in NXT than any other cryptocurrency project on the market right now, right? Let me see. Oh, Jonathan says he misses Amanda. Yeah, I missed their channel too, the Daily Decrypt, but she got hired by the Dash cryptocurrency, so she's working for Dash now, right? Um, let me see. Okay. You know what? XCVDS. Okay. You say is IOTA on your radar? I know. I know who this is because he was the one who helped me make my. Actually, it was you guys. Just so I'll give credit where credit belongs, guys. You guys see the question here by XCVSD VSX, whatever the hell it is, right? He's actually one of the first guys that I had on to do my cryptocurrency about NXT and a bunch of stuff. So thanks for helping me get started there, man. Back when I didn't have anybody to interview. Okay, so let me know when you're ready for an interview about Arter to update everyone. Is IOTA on your radar, Ty? No, it's not. I heard about it several times, but man, it's just some of these. Hey guys, I want you guys to understand this. If you guys don't hear us talking about a specific cryptocurrency, it's not because we think it's a scam or anything like that. It's probably just because we don't have time to research it. We hear about it, but we just don't have time. We only have time to look at maybe half a dozen to a dozen cryptocurrencies at any given time. And I mean, there's too many out there for us to research, and sometimes we just miss it. And if we miss it, we miss it. That's just how it is, guys. You know, we don't cry over spilled milk. We move on to the next cryptocurrency. Joe Conway says he doesn't mean to hate. He just hear alarm bells sounding when he hears people say how much money they make. If I told you how much money I've made from cryptocurrency investing, guys, you wouldn't believe it anyway. So it doesn't matter what I say. You know, let's just say I made $100. There, you happy? The people that come to the live workshop that I'm going to do, they're going to see how much I made because I'm going to be showing them the account so that they'll see it. So they'll actually go home and do it. And I can tell you this, if I tell you that you need more than 100 Bitcoins in your account before you come to our live workshop, there's a reason for that, okay? Let me see. I sold my storage and my Factom too early. Hey, it's okay, bad news. Things like that happen, right? Things like that happen, so no worries, right? Is my goal still 600,000? Yes, it is, and it's coming close. Yes, it is, okay? That does not. Hey, just so you know, Matthew, just because I hit 600,000 on whatchamacallit, whether it's with my forex trading or futures trading or stock trading or cryptocurrency trading, right? That does not mean that I'm going to stop. Okay, I enjoy doing this. This is fun. I don't get paid to sit here and broadcast to you guys, right? So I mean, I do it just because I like it. You know, some people like to watch football. Some people like to watch basketball. I don't watch any of that stupid shit. Even though I was one of the best, you know, athletic trainers when I worked at Gold's Gym as a personal trainer. I mean, I've never met somebody personally that can get an athlete to run faster, you know, or be quicker or more agile on the field than I have. But I don't watch sports, even though I was a athletic trainer, because that does not make me money. You know, I watch the cryptocurrency market, the stock market, the forex market, and the futures market, and the forex and those markets because they make me money. I don't waste time watching things that don't make me money. You know, I mean, I could be spending the exact same amount of time uh, making money in trading and investing, or I can sit there and waste time and lose money watching. You know, here's something that I'll share with you guys. If you guys live and work and hang around me all the time, you'll hear me say this over and over, almost every day. You know, like I believe in living your own life, not somebody else's life. You know, I don't believe in, you know, watching LeBron James or somebody and living their life. You know, I see people that spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Like I have colleagues, friends, coworkers, you know, business partners that I see that they'll spend $1,000 to go to a professional sports event, and if you tell them, hey, go put $100 into this ICO, they're like, oh, it's a gamble, it's risky, oh, it's stupid, you know, that's make believe internet magic money. And I'm like, man, you're willing to go spend $1,000 at a football game, but you won't, you know, invest $100 in it just to make a 5x, 10x return. I mean, that just boggles my mind. You know, it's just a matter of priorities, guys. If you know me personally, you'll know that I don't like living other people's life. I like to live my own life and create my own life. Okay, so let me see. Do you have any good a good Slack channel? No, I don't have a Slack channel. I think that's for people that want to create software. Okay. Heard of Nautilus Coin, but don't know anything about it. Have you? I have not invested in it. Do you hold NEM? I screwed up on NEM, guys. I screwed up on NEM big time because in the beginning they asked me to be a part of their team. Like, if I remember it correctly, I get invited to be on people's cryptocurrency projects all the time. And I think NEM was one of the early ones. At that time, I was more focused on NXT, and I just didn't see the point in cloning NXT or anything like that. So I did not join their team. And I also invested into them earlier this year in around 350 satoshis, and then I got out. You know, it wasn't doing anything. I was not making money. I was not losing money. I just got out and just like had a very very small loss. It was almost like a break even, and I actually I was up profitable, but the slippage on it caused me to be slightly under. And I got out, and then like a few weeks later, they ran up to like 1,000 and something satoshis. So I missed out on that one. I was in it, but I held on for as long as I could, and it wasn't making money, so I moved my money somewhere else, and then that's when they took off. But hey, that's part of trading and investing. That happens all the time, so I don't cry over it. Uh, do I plan on running any proof of stake nodes? Not sure. I don't. I might in the future, you know, but I don't see the point in doing it at this moment. Just passed over Coinigy, Bitcoin altcoin trading talk. I'm aware of them, but I just don't. That's I forget what the reason was, but I passed over them. I can't remember the reason. I know about them and I've seen them. I just there was something about it that it not that was bad. It didn't pique my interest, so I just moved on. Right. Uh, Let me see. Let me see. Okay, Robert. Hey, what's up, man? I'm glad you're here. Come to Costa Rica and swim with me and Sundance and Pacific. We can teach Ka. I'm not sure what Ka Sundance is. Rick Stefanovsky wants to live Vitalik's life. I'm not sure why you want to live his life, but if you do, that's awesome. Okay, guys, that's it. That's all I got, guys. So those are the 7 most influential crypto investing channels for 2016, guys. If you guys like it, give me a thumbs up. If you guys don't like it, give me a thumbs down so I don't make these videos anymore. All right. And thanks for watching, guys. If you have any people that want to learn more about investing in cryptocurrencies, let me know. Let them know about this channel so they can subscribe to it. And if you guys have friends or colleagues or coworkers, let them know about it. And I'll see you guys in a future video, guys. All right. This will conclude the broadcast.